Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a short video to let you all know what's happening in Onpassive. I am Lystra T. I say T because a lot of people cannot pronounce my last name and it gets confusing, so I call myself Lystra T. Anyway, I wanted to talk about Onpassive and the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The launching of Onpassive new offices on the 34th floor and the 151st floor was an event to behold. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys watched it on YouTube. If you haven't, go to thetop.live and have a look at that. An amazing event. Amazing. Anyway, that has launched now, and there are more events to follow. A lot more before Onpassive opens up to the world. So my question is to a lot of people who are not in this company as yet, don't wait too much longer. The foundership will be closing very, very soon. And you've probably heard that before. But right now, with things moving ahead, it's going to be closing very soon, sooner than you think. So why aren't you in it as yet? Why wouldn't you join us? Join us and see what this is all about. See where you will be in the future, taking care of yourself, your family. You'll be set for life. For life, people. And a lot of you want to know how. Join us. You will have your own office. It's called the back office. You can log in there. You can look around. You get to find out everything about this company and how it works and how it will help you. Now, we have a platform called Obless. Obless has launched as well. And they are starting to give to people, those in need, like food. Go onto YouTube again, the top.live, and you will see how Obless has started to help the Indians, and it's going to move ahead. We will be helping people around the globe, the children who are near and dear to my heart. They've always been. Everyone will be looked after. Clothes, food, shoes, most of all, most importantly, clean water. That is so important in everyone's lives. Clean water. They will be supplied with that and all their other needs. Just think how you will feel, what it'll be like to be out there knowing that, well, you won't be out there unless you choose to go to a country to help, and you will be able to do that with Obless if you want to, because a lot of the founders will be traveling and helping in countries in need, like PNG and other countries that need the help. We are all pulling together with Ash Mafara. We're pulling together and we want to do this. I never saw me as wanting to be out there to help. I've helped financially in the past and I still do. But wouldn't it be awesome to just know that you can go to a country and actually work with these people and help them? Because in Canada and the States, the majority of us are blessed with our homes and with food and good clothes and whatever else. But we see it on TV or wherever else, the ones in need. Wouldn't it be so great to get out there to help these people? And that is what Onpassive and Onbless will enable us to do. So I said that this will be short, okay? So I will end it soon. Get in this business. Help yourselves first, then help others. That's how it's supposed to be. Look after you and your family, and then move on and help others. We can't wait. Our very own Chris Johnson, he is doing everything possible to pull us all together so that we can then work with him and help. He's an amazing man, along with Ash and others who are working behind the scenes to get this going. And I know for sure that I am one that want to be in there with them. So anyway, get in, people. $97 is a mere pittance to pay to get into a company like this. It's never been done before. Not for that kind of money. Get in. You're going to be so glad you did. You will meet people from around the globe like I have. I have got friends in just about every country. And I can name them all, but it's too many to do right now. Every country you can think of. And we're in 212. Or more. Who knows? It could be more by now. But we've been saying 212. So let's do this, people. Let's do this. I've never been so pumped as I am now. I've never, ever. And a lot of you who know me know that I've always been camera shy. And now here I am on Facebook doing a video to tell you what is going on and what can help you. And then how you can help others after you've been helped. It's an amazing feeling. Amazing. So please, let's just do this. Let's do it. It makes you feel so good. My heart is full. It's so full. Knowing what's coming and how I can help. And a lot of my friends in this company, I know how they feel as well. So I thank you all for listening. I thank you for being my friend. I love you guys. Take care. And I hope in the near future to meet a lot of you. In the very near future. I love you guys. Have a good evening and have a good weekend wherever you are. Goodbye for now.